Hey guys, are you struggling with IELTS reading and you have been practicing for 1 month or 2 months, still you feel that your reading score is not improving? It is just because of your strategy. If you change the strategy, then I guarantee you, you will improve your score and you'll be, confident even. I do not have any shortcut to share with you, and I'm not gonna share any skip, scheme, or true false not given strategy. Here I'm gonna share a simple advice that will open up your mind to IELTS reading. You go to any coaching institution, there you practice your IELTS reading 2 times. I mean, you take IELTS reading test 2 times and still you stuck at the score and it is not improving. Why? Because you are not preparing, right? When to take test? When we are ready, then we take test. We take test to check our performance, whether I have improved or not. But what happens with most of the students, they take test without preparing. They are busy with true false not given, how to match the headings, how to fill in the blanks, in such kind of stuffs, and they are not improving. Why? Because they are not learning things. If you want to score high in IELTS reading, what you have to do? Don't worry about time. Take full IELTS paper at your home and deal with one passage, okay? Without worrying about time. Deal with one passage, and once you deal with one passage and match the question and answer, how many questions have you done right? After that, work on your weakness. Go to second passage, go to third passage. Take time. You may take time at night, you may take time in morning, and try to learn things, try to improve, get familiar with grammatical structures, vocabularies, and the type of questions you are struggling with. Certainly you will find a pattern over there. Once you do that you have problems with certain kind of questions, and after that take time, learn strategies, learn other things that will help you make reading comfortable for you. But you do not want to do that because you do not have a mind to learn, you do not have a mind to practice. You just want to take test, but that tests are not helping you anywhere. My dear friends, preparation is the key. When you will work on your skill improvement, then your score will improve. Don't work to improve your skills, nothing gonna happen. You can take exam 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Coaching institution, they won't say do this. What you have to do practically and personally, buy a book of reading, take that home, deal with one passage once, then go to second passage, then third, without worrying about time. Do this for 15 days. I guarantee you, you will improve your interest in your reading and your score will automatically improve, because you do not have any timer, you do not have any condition. You will take step by and by, and after that you will find some patterns over there, you will find some structures over there that will help you improve your reading, and you will be able to locate the information. Once the information is spotted, you will reach the correct answer. Do this, my dear friends. I guarantee you this strategy will help you, especially those who struggle, who are stuck at 5 or 5.5 in IELTS reading. You do this for 2 weeks. I guarantee you this will improve your score. This is my guarantee you, because I have already tried such kind of strategies. Institutions, they will just give you formulas, do this. These are helpful, but unless you understand the reading, then it will work. If you do not understand reading, then how would you be able to do all these stuffs that we are taught in coaching institutions and YouTube? I admire all the YouTubers who are helping IELTS and spoken English students. I even praise the institutions as well. I have nothing, I don't hold anything for them. But my suggestion is for you, dear friends, please give 2 weeks time to yourself to improve IELTS reading. I guarantee you, you will feel that things are working out for you. Every day you have to deal with at least 2 passages without worrying about time, and then you will be able to feel you are improving, your score is improving. I hope that this video has opened up your mind and you are going to work this way. Thank you so much for being with us. See you next time. If you have not subscribed our channel, do it now. I guarantee you, I'm not gonna share any tips, tricks that will help you get high band score in 5 days, 7 days or 10 days. Yeah, I can work with you so you could grow and score high in your IELTS exam. Thank you. See you next time.